37% of chief marketing officers view the chief financial officer as a top relationship to develop, as they strive towards a desire to run marketing with financial accountability. Roles and responsibilities of a chief financial officer: strategic planning and decision-making, building rapport with analysts and investors. Chief financial officer must partner with COOs, CEOs, and other members of the management team. A chief financial officer's main job is to take away the financial worry. Talk about assets, stop giving wage example, provide them with facts and figures, demonstrate value, and lastly give a timeline. A healthy relationship between the chief financial officer and chief marketing officer benefits the business and allows marketers to reclaim a more strategic role. Discover each other's superpowers. Identify and share mission goals. Establish a secret base. Share information with their chief financial officer regularly. Establish a common ground. Commit to a long-term vision of success. Lastly, create a common language. Chief financial officers play a central role in strategic planning, and they have an integral voice in the majority of buying decisions. Hence, communicate effectively and develop an understanding of coworkers and their roles. Reach out to us if you are looking for any assistance with B2B fintech advertising, content syndication, and demand gen solutions.